According to the State Weather Bureau Pag-asa, the Philippines is visited by at least 20 tropical cyclones every year. Among these cyclones, 10 will be typhoons, with 5 having the potential to be destructive ones. From 2010 up to now, an average of 9 destructive cyclones per year had entered our country. In 2011, Tropical Storm Sendong, 1,470 people were killed. In 2012, Typhoon Pablo left 1,248 people dead and 34 billion pesos worth of damage to agriculture and infrastructure. In 2013, Yolanda caused a huge spike in the number of casualties. 6,300 people dead, 28,689 injured, and 1,061 missing. All those numbers are just approximates, and now that we know them, what can we do to prevent these destructive typhoons, or at least lessen the damage? Using the following, our team came up with a simple storm warning alarm and generator, or simply put, the SWAG. An Arduino Uno board, resistors, LEDs, connecting wires, a breadboard, SPST switches, and a buzzer. The SWAG is a manually triggered alarm system that emits lights and sounds that can reach the whole city. It is based on the Philippine Storm warning signals, and it has 3 stages. The first signal emits a green light. This signifies that flooding is possible and that the citizens are advised to monitor the weather conditions. The second signal emits a yellow light and produces a siren-like sound. This signifies that the flood is threatening and that the citizens should be alert for possible evacuation. While the third one emits a red light and produces a faster siren-like sound. This is to indicate that the citizens must leave the area at once. The SWAG can be essential not only in crowded cities, but on rural areas as well, because as long as the lights and the sounds can reach the citizens, they will be well informed, and since the SWAG itself is a generator, there won't be any more discrepancies when power outages occur. We can now assure that the number of casualties will be less, if not none. The more lives saved, the better. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing projects.